Welcome back, Mousetronaut! Watch your step!
Wonderful! Come on, Donald. Time to go.
Hey, everybody! Now look at this!
Buttons and bows. The book. We're all on the cover now.
Our adventure building the moon base!
How Mousetronauts kept trying and got the job done.
Hey, Cosmo's on there.
Well, he earned the badge for learning it's not nice to take things that don't belong to you.
And here's a little something to remember our trip. I guess it's time to head home.
Oh.
But don't worry, we'll be back soon. Right, Bunny? Right! And I can't wait! Us too!